Hello, guys. Welcome to Labuma Cakes. Today is another wonderful day where we'll be making this very beautiful cake. We'll be making this beautiful cake, fondant cake. So here, right here, I have fruit cake, chocolate cake. Here, I have fruit cake and chocolate cake. Yes, we'll be covering it with fondant today. Welcome back to our channel. This is Labuma Cakes, and here you'll see different cakes being decorated with buttercream and fondant and also whipping cream. Let's get into it. So the first step to wrapping up a cake is to trim it. Please always trim your fondant cake. If it's a buttercream cake, you can just get away with it. But with fondant, you must trim it so that it can have a straight side. It's so important. So then when it's clean, next is to crumb coat and seal up all sides. Yes, we'll seal up all the sides. So get a little buttercream and mix the cake crumbs with it. That's what I do actually, just to seal up all the sides so it won't have to be getting all wonky and all of those stuff. You can see. So I'll form a thick paste and just use it to seal up all those layer lines you see right there. Yeah, so when that is done, you just smoothing it out just to give it a smooth finish with that. So those are one of the tricks that you do to make your cake stand out and so straight. Especially since it's a chocolate cake, it's very soft and we need to pack it very well so that your fondant won't start standing wonky. You see that? Yeah, so I use the smoother to smoothen it out before the next crumb coating. Yeah, so I'm gonna crumb coat everything together into one piece. So you can see that together with the first covering that we made, we'll be crumb coating everything just to form a one piece of cake that is smooth, ready to be covered in fondant. Yeah, so when that is done, we the next step right now is to smoothing it out. We're smoothing it with a smoother. So make sure you place that smoother straight, very straight. Don't bend it. Make it straight. Let the edge of the smoother sit on the board so that you can just swipe very neatly. Can see, and this will make the edges, the sides of your cake super straight. So we'll make this just dry out a little, then we'll go on to the next step of wrapping our cake. So that is our fondant. I've rolled it out. That's our fondant, I've rolled it out. So the first, I'll be using the paneling method. Now I said this is chocolate cake. This is a chocolate cake and it's so soft. So I'll be turning, I'll be pressing. I'll just carefully layer that on it, carefully cover it up. So that's the top, and you can see I'm trying to make it round and fit. Then after that, add some little water to the edge so that that can stand the roll, so that the one that you'll be wrapping will stand and hold firm. You can see that. Pick up the fondant. My fondant recipe is on the channel. That's what I use. You can see easy to handle, easy to lift, easy to wrap, no tearing, and it's all weather. It won't sweat. So feel free to check out this, the fondant on the channel. I will link it in the description box. So carefully pressing the upper parts to the sides so that the water, the little water that we added to the sides will make it stay. You Can see, carefully massage the fondant to the sides. So carefully massage that to the sides like that. So I added a little water just to make that place seal up, to seal up the edge. So I'm just massaging it carefully, carefully. So because our conclusion is straight, definitely the final outcome will be straight. So here I'm just trying to put in a rough effect on it, on the edges, a rough effect just to make it pop. So I'm not going to leave it straight like that. So I'm trying to create a rough edge effect on the cake. So that's that about that. When you get your fondant recipe right, it will be so easy for you to make. Just wrap and decorate in your own style. It's your cake. Just decorate it and make it a beauty to behold. So next we'll be cleaning off the icing sugar on the fondant. I'll be using edible spirit and a brush just to brush it off. You can also use a steamer right now as you like it, just to clean it off like that. So quickly we'll be using that to clean it off and we allow it to dry out. Just enjoy the video as I go on with the next step. So in there I added some sprinkles just to decorate the upper part. Yeah, so you can see that. So I'm trying to paint the rough edge that I said I created earlier with gold, so to make it pop, to make it pop out. You can see that it's coming out, the beauty is coming out. So feel free to decorate your cake in a way that it will be so beautiful to behold. So after this we'll be adding our final decoration and I will show you the outcome. So when you use a correct recipe, a working recipe, fondant will not be a problem. So get a very good recipe. As I said the other time, we have a very good recipe. My recipe, the one I used for this cake, on the channel. It's on the channel. Feel free to check it. It's all weather and it's so good. I use it all around the year and it has not given me problem. So when you get your fondant right, your cake, your fondant making will be so easy. At any time, just mix it up and decorate. You can see that. So our cake is almost done and see how beautiful it is. So please don't forget to like and share to whoever needs this, and please subscribe. Just click the subscribe button for more of these beautiful cakes. Thank you for watching this Labuma cakes and I'll see you in our next video. Bye bye. Thanks for stopping by, and whenever you try yours, let's know, come back and let's know in the comments how it all came out. So don't forget to click the subscribe button. Please like the video. That's the final outlook. I hope you love it. See you in our next video. Bye.